150 winners. Top one going to be special with a 1.2 thousand. Okay, the betting time is open. Why not 5? Because 6 was afraid of 7. 7, 8, 9. Get it, guys? That's the reference. So, guys, what's your favorite flavor of French fries? Let me hear it in the chat. 20x on cash hunt. Yo, I mean, come on, please, I beg you. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Let's go. What's up, YouTube? No, I'm kidding, guys. I ain't clip farming that shamelessly. 100x is the biggest multiplier. Not for now. I mean, not for long. It's gonna be a 2000x. Yo. Let us cook, man. Okay. We kind of cooking. All right, we're gonna mix up the multipliers into carousel. So they're gonna be switched up like randomly. You don't know where the 2000x is. It might be in the same spot. It might be elsewhere. You never know. That's like the whole thing about it. But you gotta choose where do you think it is? Where do you think it is? You think it's the target, the duck? Well, then pick it and shoot it with the cannon. Boom! I'm gonna go for the top left corner, the Court Jester's hat, because I'm a silly little guy. Let's go. 200 for me, baby. Where's the 2000? Guys, it's there. It's the top right side, almost the corner. Woohoo! What a start to the day. Juicer Magooser, baby. Let's go. 9,000 winner special. 168,000 for you, top winner. Yeah, buddy. That's what I've been waiting for. Let's go. Yeah, boy. This is how we do it. Bam, 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 bam. This is how we do it. Hey, check it out. Good luck, everybody. 2x on 10. Who's that guy in the chat earlier?